Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to check in on the price action of Chainlink, as other altcoins are popping off in the market, but Chainlink seems to be sitting still. Are there any signs that Chainlink may join the party soon, or are more patience going to be required? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Chainlink up on the daily chart. Starting off the analysis by toggling into the price action, I see that the price right now is having a bit of a fight with the red 10 simple moving average. That red 10 simple moving average is coming in around $23. I do see that the bulls have been able to hold price action up above this horizontal here. That's coming in at $22.03, and that's overall a good sign. I also see that every single time Chainlink tries to make an aggressive move to the downside, that the positively sloped 21 exponential moving average is right there to pick up price action in very short order on candle closing bases. And anything opening and closing daily candle bodies above that 21, I remain bullish on. As volatile as this has been, I see that along the way, Chainlink continues to print higher highs and higher lows, which tells me that the upwards trajectory is still very much intact. Looking down below at the volume read continues to contract, and the moving average is sloped to the downside. That is signaling to me that the most probable scenario here is sideways consolidation between this horizontal here and this liquid zone up here. This top liquid zone has a bottom side coming in around $24.82 and a top side coming in around $25.89. What I would like to see Chainlink do is first of all close a daily candle body above this red 10 simple moving average and float its way back up to this liquid zone here. At the end of the day, I want to see daily candle body closures taking a place above that top liquid zone, and then I would be convinced that this is performing an SR flip, so former resistance becoming future support, and then I think Chainlink will be ready for its next major leg up, and I will be having my eyes at the $32 level, even though Chainlink would have the potential to go cut right through that level if and when that time comes. Of course, I look for those daily candle body closures as my confirmation, and I do need to see good volume accompanied with that. Dropping down to the RSI is still under pressure, but putting up a bit of a fight here. The exponential moving average is taking on a negative slope, but the RSI looks like it would like to test it sometime soon. At the end of the day, I want to see a confirmed RSI closure above that exponential moving average, and then ultimately getting back into this green bullish control zone. If the RSI is able to do that, assuming price action continues to float to the upside, that will overall be a very bullish signature on the board for the bulls. Dropping down to the stochastics, they are still under pressure as well, but it is notable that they are still in the bullish control zone. This fresh cross to the downside is not confirmed, as the daily candle body still has 6 hours and 23 minutes remaining, so we'll have to keep our eyes on that. Down below in the MACD also under pressure as the moving averages are pointed downwards, and this negative momentum on the histogram continues to print larger solid red bars of negative momentum. So overall, it does look like Chainlink wants to move sideways at the very least. Being that the overall market is bullish, Bitcoin's making some moves to the upside, and Bitcoin hasn't dumped on us yet, so that's good news. I do think overall there's just going to simply be rotations, so I think Bitcoin will make its move first, and then Ethereum's actually having a good day today, up 7% at the time of recording. But typically we'll see rotations into the bigger alts, and being that Chainlink is a very big alt, a very good project, basically the biggest Oracle project that I'm aware of, I do think Chainlink's just ultimately going to catch a bid for those reasons alone. But it's always good to keep our eyes on the technical analysis here, because it gives us the opportunity to manage our risk as well as our emotions. Now, if Chainlink manages to get any daily candle body closures below this horizontal at $22.03, then likely it's going to test that 21 again. I have to say it would be probable that the 21 will pick up price action, as it's been doing that for the last couple times. Now, if it does get a daily candle body closure below that 21, and that 21 is coming in around $21.23, holy smokes, $21 for the 21 exponential moving average. But if it does get any daily candle body closures below that, then it's likely to test this bottom liquid zone here. This liquid zone has a top side at $20.16 and a bottom side coming in at $18.79. It is notable that the 30 simple moving average is living near the top side of that zone and has a very aggressive slope to the upside, and perhaps it will pick up price action if price action gets down there. If you look left, you can see that the 30 right here was able to grab it, but the 55 exponential moving average was also in confluence with it at the time. Now, I don't think downwards is the probable scenario, but it's always possible. That's why I'll be looking for those daily candle body confirmations below those levels before I think there's going to be any more legs down. If Chainlink gets a daily candle body closure below the bottom side of this liquid zone coming in at $18.79, well, I'm going to be looking to this 55 exponential moving average and ultimately recently down to this horizontal here at $16.44. And I see that the 89 exponential moving average is going to be coming into confluence with that very, very soon. Once again, I think that's only a possible scenario, not the probable. Probable to me is sideways between this horizontal and this liquid zone, and or up. Up would be my second probable scenario that I'm seeing inside the chart at this time. So let's keep our eyes on this. We might have to have a bit more patience here, but maybe not with the rotations taking place within the market. Maybe Chainlink makes a move sooner than later. We are not looking at a crystal ball, but we are looking at statistical probabilities and a statistical edge over the market. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. I hope you're all doing well out there wherever you are in the world, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, have yourselves a powerful day.